Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making an easy egg casserole, and I'll be starting off with 8 eggs, to which I'm going to add a half of a cup of milk. That was actually only a fourth of a cup of milk that I added, and I'll be adding in 1 cup of sour cream. The next thing to go in is going to be some salt and pepper, and then these get whisked together. The next thing to go in is going to be 1½ cups of a shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Once the cheese is stirred in, it gets set over to the side, and then I'll be moving over to the stove to start sauteing up the vegetables. Here at the stove, I've heated up 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and I'll be adding in half of a red bell pepper, half of a green bell pepper, a half of a cup of a diced red onion. I've got 1 jalapeno here, though this is totally optional, and I've also got 4 green onions that I've thinly sliced. After about 7 minutes, the onions have turned translucent and the peppers have started to soften up. I'll be adding in 1 cup of fresh broccoli florets and allowing these to saute for about 3 minutes, just to help soften up the broccoli a little bit. After 3 minutes, I went ahead and removed the vegetables from the stove and allowed them to sit here for about 5 minutes, just to allow them to start cooling down a little bit. They're now going to be transferred into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that I've lightly sprayed with cooking spray. The next thing I've added in is about a cup of a diced ham, though you could switch this up and do like bacon or breakfast sausage if you wanted to, or you could totally leave it out and just make this a vegetarian dish. That looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and top this off with the egg mixture I made earlier. And then the last thing is to top it off with an additional half of a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. The casserole is now ready to go into a 350-degree oven, where it's going to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the top turns golden brown. Once the casserole came out of the oven, I allowed it to sit on the counter for about 5 minutes just to allow it to cool down a little bit. I've garnished it with a little bit of a green onion, and all I have left to do is try it out. It smells absolutely incredible. Can't wait to dive into it. This is absolutely delicious. There's a nice little tang from the sour cream that I've added in. It's definitely cheesy. It's got a little pop of heat from the jalapenos, though those are definitely optional and you can leave them out if heat is not something you're looking for. The broccoli in here is really good. It's nice and tender, yet still has some of its texture. Overall, really, really good. Definitely cheesy. Definitely something I would be making again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Val Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.